Thank you for joining me, everybody. Today is Thursday, January 9th, 2019. 2020 is a new year, new time, a new season. My name is Brandon Kelly, aka BK, the crypto trader, and I am here to discuss the consumer confidence, and how that correlates to the Bitcoin price. Most importantly, how you can profit as a result of obtaining this important information and this knowledge, right? So ain't nothing to it but do it, y'all. Let's go ahead and make this money. Essentially, we have another channel forming that will be confirming here in the next quick cycle. These are just trend lines that you can literally copy and paste to get the different points of resonance inside the chart. And you can see we've just kind of broke into the second channel. And when that happens, you can basically put another trend line at kind of like that lower limit support where that channel confirmed at. And this is more or less the end date of when we expect the next big price action to happen. That's going to be on or around the 17th. And so what I think is going to be happening is basically we're going to be flatlining, and you can kind of almost see that the 231, now granted this is a 33-minute chart, but the 231 is kind of going to act as like a catch basin support, because as long as we're up there, the 231 is going to be doing that. So even if we fall, number one, we have the channel to catch us, and number two, we have the 231 to catch us. So I think probably over the next week or so, whatever this duration is, we'll get to that point, and that looks like about a week, right? And this, given that this is the channel, now it runs up and it runs down, but it is up and to the right. So this is a bullish pattern here. I would say, 8, and you can literally just do it like that. 8,100 is the top of that channel, and you just take it day by day. For today, 7,500 is the low. So as long as we don't go under, 75, we're still confirmed to be going higher on or around January 17th, right? And there's a few things that, are contributing to this. I think there is a shift, a macro shift in the market. This talks about consumer confidence, which is indicative of fear. They call it the fear index. And when the fear index goes higher, money shrinks up in the market, but consumer confidence is all-time high, 20 years. You know what I'm saying? Things have never been better, but yet again, people have never been broker. As far as the household debt to income ratio goes, and the income disparity goes. So there's definitely something happening in the market where we may either be topping out on Dow Jones to enter, a 12-year double dip recession, which will ultimately lead to a depression, which will definitely have an impact on Bitcoin over the next 4 to 5 years. Or they could be ready to pump this thing up to Dow Jones 32,000, right? Which would basically be like a 12-month victory lap. Let the CJ be in office, stay in power throughout 2020, and then dump it probably the year following, first or second year. Granted, we are at war now. They say war is good for the economic machine, and so that could be contributing to the stock market going higher, even though it's a temporarily down. They control the money, and it's fake money, and they print it for free. So it's like, if you look at the volatility chart, like this is a joke. Let's see, go to the 3-day. Going back in 2008, this thing peaked out at like 80 points, right? And ever since then, like it's literally next to nothing down here, like 14, 15%. It's crazy. Granted, we have had, yeah, and even like this year, 2020, since 2019, like people are just confident that they'll keep making money in the stock market, right? So again, like you got to take that with a grain of salt. Understand that market is water. Water flows downhill. It never moves, stays in the same place. So this energy will always keep moving forever. So we kind of have to take a look at all these macroeconomic forces that are influencing, where that water may be moving, so we can play ahead of the curve. I think, honestly, if Bitcoin was going to go down to like 5,000, 4,000, I think it would have done that already. Um, I think now we're basically like doing this long term consolidation before we see another run up to 12,000, 15,000, ultimately breaking 20,000, probably going up to 30, 32, 28 to 32, 34,000 on the next run. When that'll happen, I don't know yet because we have not completed the bottom. If this was a flatline cycle, we probably still got another month or so before it completes. And it's kind of like a recession. Like you don't know when the bottom's in until after it's already in. I think right now we are forming the bottom. However, where's everything at? Until everything's confirmed, with the market, with the stock market, it's hard to tell from macro analysis. When big cycles complete, and this guy is saying that Bitcoin should be going higher. He's kind of calling the bottom in right now. So I can send you a link to this article as well. So there you go. Have a great day, everybody. We're looking flat until the 17th. And again, as long as we don't fall under 79 or as long as we don't break above 81, this channel right here is what we'll be riding in. And that price target is $7,800 on January 17th. And for those of you that don't know, now you know. That is how you chart like a boss. Alts are back up, Bitcoin down. So you see the money is just like moving back and forth through, right? If we go to crypto bubbles. Right. And this is on the day. Let's trade it to Bitcoin. Yeah, you see Bitcoin is down, right? To 77. So it's down 2% on the day. But then on that 2%, these other coins have absorbed a lot of that. So XMR has been running. This thing is up 6%. Bitcoin Cash SV 6%, right? Link 3.5%. Bitcoin China BCH Bitcoin China 2.9%. Neo trying to make some money, right? And so it's just literally shifting. It's like a 1 or 2 day shift. I don't think it's necessarily bad for the market. Again, with Bitcoin, you just check these channels. As long as we're inside, we're fine, right? And obviously, if you are playing the altcoins, you want alts that are outpacing the loss of Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin lost 2.5% on the day, you better be holding something, that's making more than that 2%. We call Bitcoin Cash, we call Monero, and we call Link. Holla at your boy. I guess money. You know what I'm saying? So there you go. Have a great day, people. I might even just chop this down and throw this up on YouTube for the people. I haven't done that in a while. This isn't really an in-depth discussion. I think it does talk a little bit with the consumer confidence, some topics I think that would be good for the YouTube channel. But there you go. Have a great day, everybody. Happy Thursday to you. And I will talk to you all tomorrow. Peace. So thank you very much for watching this video, everybody. As you can see, I kind of edited it for the YouTube audience. I thought it was useful information and wanted to get it out to you. So if you agreed, and definitely make sure you go ahead and subscribe right now. Feel free to jump over to Boss of Bitcoin. Check out the free crypto trading communities we have: Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. Your boy is trying to get the knowledge out to the people to help you make money. So again, hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Leave me a comment down below. Show me some love. I read all the comments. I try to reply to each and every one of you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. So if you appreciate me, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share this video. And then if you're trying to make some money, man, put down 2 and pick up 6. Jump on over to Boss of Bitcoin. Check out the different products and services we have available. The profit package, top 7 coins to swing trade every 7 days like a boss. And then the boss alert messages for the people with, a few bands in the market. You know what I'm saying? Want to throw some racks around. You can put down $250. I think you get the first month for $200. And you will make some real deal money working with yours truly. This is what I do. I do it for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Please hit that thumbs up button. Do that for me if you appreciate mine. Till we meet again, stay cryptic, y'all. Peace.
Boss.
Huh.
Like a boss.